Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all for class 9 subject science, and we are going to continue the same topic, that is the fundamental unit of life. Okay, as you can see here, this is the picture of Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus is a cell organelle. Now, this is nothing but what is the work of this Golgi apparatus means it is like packer and transporter. That endoplasmic reticulum is like manufacturer of the body. Okay, it manufactures. What manufactures? The proteins, ribosomes in the body. That is what we learned in the previous class, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. Now this next cell organelle here is the Golgi apparatus. This is like packer and transporter. How we have the Amazon, right? Like that it behaves in the body. Now, why this name came, Golgi apparatus? Because of the Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi was a scientist. Based on his name, in the year 1843, it was given as the name Golgi apparatus. The main things here you have to learn in the cell organelles are the structure and functions of each cell organelle, right? Now, how is the structure of this now? The structure consists of a system. This Golgi apparatus consists of a system of membrane-bound vesicles. As you can see, it is membranes, right? One after the other. That is the vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other. They are not on each other. They are parallel, one after the other. Okay, the vesicles are parallel to each other in sacs called cistern. What is it called? Cistern. This each parallel line is known as cistern. These membranes often have connection with membranes of endoplasmic reticulum. Why it should have a connection? Because endoplasmic reticulum will manufacture the ribosomes in the body. That ribosomes or protein it will take into its to pack and transport. These membranes and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. Okay, as there are 3-4 functions of this Golgi apparatus. The first, as I said to you, it is a packer and transporter. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Understood here? Means it is transporting to all the parts of the body. The second function includes the storage and modification and package of products in vesicles. Not only transporter, it will store and modify. Modify means how it can be sent. In some cases, complex sugar may be made from simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. This is the third function. What is the third function? That it will make the complex sugar into simple sugar. Coming to the fourth function of the Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes. It will help to make the lysosome. These are the 4 functions of Golgi apparatus. In each cell organelle, you should learn its structure and function of each cell organelle. The next here is the lysosome. Lysosome is also known as suicide bag. Okay, what is the other name of lysosome? Suicide bag. Where can you see the lysosome in the animal cell? These small ball-like structures are known as lysosomes. Okay, bag-like structures. These green balls are seen, no? These are the lysosomes. You can see the Golgi apparatus also here, the parallel lines, right? That is Golgi apparatus. These structures are lysosomes. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal. Means here each cell organelle has its own function, right? What is the function here? Means it is a like garbage bag and suicide bag. It will take all the unwanted things from the cell inside it. How we throw the garbage, no? Similarly here, this part of the cell, that is the lysosome, it will collect all the unwanted things from the cell to in it, okay? And the damaged cell also it will take in it. Then what happens here? It will help to keep the cell clean by digesting and any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. Worn out cell organelles means which are damaged, even that it will take. Foreign materials entering the cell such as bacteria or food as well as old organelles end up in the lysosome, which break them into small pieces. Lysosomes are able to do this. Why? How it can do? Because it is having powerful digestive enzyme. You can say that as an acid also. It will be having a powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all organic material during the disturbance in the cellular metabolism. Okay, not always it will do. It will just do whenever it is needed. Okay, whenever it is needed, it will clean up the cell. When the cell gets damaged, that time it will take. Lysosome may burst. Afterwards, what happens? It will burst. It has to be thrown, right? So, it will burst and the enzyme digests their own cells. What happens? It is cleaning by itself. It may be burst and digest their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are known as suicide bags of the cell. This is an important question. Why the lysosomes are called suicide bag of cell? Okay, this you should understand. Coming to the structure, as I said you, it is a bag-like structure, right? Lysosomes are membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzyme. This is the sentence how you are going to write. These enzymes are made by, that is, rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can say RER. Okay. The next cell organelle here, what we have is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Why it is known as powerhouse? As we have fuel in the vehicle, right? Without the fuel, vehicle will work? No. So each and the power, for electricity it needs the power, right? So in our body, who is giving the power means this mitochondria of the cell will give the power to us. Okay, that you keep in mind. Now, mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. The energy required for various chemical activities, whatever the chemical activities are going on in our body is needed for life is released by mitochondria. Means the power for all the cell to work is given by the mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. Now, what it has that do it? Okay, mitochondria releases ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Okay, what is ATP? Adenosine triphosphate molecule. ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell. What is the currency? So each country has its own currency, right? What is the currency of India? That is rupees, right? Rupees and paise. Similarly, here it is known as energy currency of the cell. I am saying you, it will give the power for the cell. Therefore, it is also known as energy currency of the cell. The body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds for mechanical work. Okay, this is the what function I said you about the mitochondria. What about the structure? How it looks? As you can see in the picture, mitochondria have two membranes. How many membranes? Two membranes covering inside of just one. Okay, the outer membrane is very porous. This is the outer membrane. Okay, it is very porous. While the inner membrane is deeply folded. As you can see here, right, it is folded here. This is the inner membrane. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reaction. This fold is for preparation of ATP. Okay, ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, now what is the extra? This mitochondria has a strange organelle. What it is means that they have their own DNA and ribosomes. I said only endoplasmic reticulum will manufacture the food, that is the ribosomes. This is the strange even here in the mitochondria also that is prepared. What is there? That is DNA and ribosome. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins. This is the special function of the mitochondria. What is the special function? They are able to make some of their own proteins. Understood?